Innova Captab Ltd, an integrated pharmaceutical company. The company was incorporated in 2005 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2023. They are based in Panchkula with more than 1,500 employees. Company has 4 manufacturing plants located in Baddi, Dehradun, and Taloja, and setting up a new greenfield plant in Jammu, which is expected to be operational by Q2 of 2025. The market cap of the company is 2,904 crore rupees and currently trading at 507 rupees per share. The company has a 38% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 40% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company is third largest manufacturer of finished tablets and capsules in India. The business segments of the company are CDMO services and branded generics. About 58% of the revenue is generated from CDMO services, 30% from branded generics, and 12% from others. Company has more than 190 CDMO clients and offers more than 600 branded generics. In June 2023, company acquired Sharon Biomedicine for Rs 195.4 crores. Due to fire incident at the plant, the operations were suspended in February 2024. Since March 2024, the operations were again resumed. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 3 quarters. We can see some foreign investments and a good portion of domestic investments in the company. The public holding is dropping, indicating that domestic investors are buying from the public. Company exports to more than 20 countries, with revenue concentration of 77% from domestic and 23% from exports. Some clients of the company are Cipla, Lupin Pharmaceutical, Glenmark, Medley Pharmaceuticals, Leaford Healthcare, Mankind Pharma, Ajanta Pharma, Smart Laboratories, Wockhardt, and more. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.